welcome back to The Comfort Code, and this is our episode number 7. And we have someone very different here, okay? This is not जैसे हमारे past podcast हुए बहुत different field के women थे, बनी भी था. This time कुछ अलग होगा, कुछ अलग insights मिलेंगे. The person who is here, I guess too many people know her out there. And it's gonna also benefit me, I feel. So, just kidding. I have invited her as guest purely, and I think she's a charm. Okay, so you should meet her, and will know her what she is exactly. I think she's way more than what she is on screen. So let's meet Shivani. So here she is, and let's know about Shivani Arolkar. Okay. So Shivani, tell us about you, only you, and how different you are from what we see on screen and what you are in personal life. So yes, go on.
Hi guys, this is Shivani, and thank you Shivani for so much of tarif, which was not I'm glad that someone said so many nice things to me. It makes me happy. Okay, so basically, I'm Shivani. I'm a resident of Vasco, a pure Goan by heart. Just because I was not here during my career in content creation, people don't know me much in Goa. But honestly, I'm a pure Goan. Maybe there are some language issues. जे कोकणी शब्द माझे मातशे mix जाता because of many other languages that I talk. So people usually don't think that I'm Goan or whatever, but I am a Goan. My whole family is from Goa. We are all residents of Goa. Basically, I have done my bachelor's in architecture. I'm an architect by profession. Mm-hmm. I just recently graduated, and I do content creation side by side as my passion because I love entertaining people. I do it for myself, and I'm glad the family that I have created, the Instagram family, is very sweet, very supportive, and I think I have created a nice I like making friends, as I said earlier also. I like making friends, I like talking to people, so somewhere it helps me out to cope with my problems also, because when you have an audience out there waiting for you, you have to buckle up and not be in your own issues, and you have to come out and do something for them. So that's how it helps some people. It helps me personally. So yeah, this is Shivani, and talking about my Instagram and my personal life. Actually, there is not much difference because I try to show the real me in my profile also. I don't want to be a different person, because the day I'm very upset or the day I'm not in the mood to do anything, but still I have to shoot a content and pretend to be that person. I am myself not satisfied with it. I don't like doing it.
Mm-hmm.
I like being myself. I think people should know me for what I am and not for what I have to pretend. So usually the pretending business is not mine. Mm-hmm. That is me. However, it is shown on my profile. Some people, because of maybe if my fashion reels come out, they think I have attitude and all. Because many people, like I've met people in person, and they tell me your profile makes me feel like you have attitude. Maybe कितने से बात कैसे करेंगे? I don't know. Yeah, exactly. But then when they meet me, they're like, no, bro, you're totally different. You're like opposite of what is shown in your profile. I don't know why it portrays to be like that, but I don't intend to show it that way.
Sure.
So, yeah.
Actually, no, it's about your own perception, how you see, if you go and see, कोई सच में इतना rude होता है, but वो profile पे इतना jolly लगता है ना, सब cool going and all. But to be honest, the one who looks rude now are not rude.
They're not.
ये मैं आप खुद के experience से बोल रही हूँ. Like they are not rude. They are very cool. If you come and talk to them ना, they will literally ऐसे nourish करेंगे तुम्हें बहुत अच्छे.
Yeah, for those who know me that मैं तुम्हें comfortable करा दूँगी अपने.
Correct. सिर्फ हत्ते नहीं चढ़ना है. Don't go to खुन्नस level, where that you get killed, not by something really. Internally, your soul will get killed.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can be bad, but with only rare case, very rare case.
Okay. So, where did you do your architecture?
I did it in DY Part in Kolhapur. Yes.
So, how is Kolhapur for you? How is Maharashtra for you?
I love Kolhapur. I legit love Kolhapur. I didn't want to leave Kolhapur and come back to Goa. Honestly, because it is so nice. It is so peaceful. I had my own space there, and it was like, especially the climate, so cool. Even in summers, I don't feel hot there. It's like
Cool.
nice. And the people I met there are gem of a person. Every person there is like, I have met the best people in my life there, I can say. Always been there for me, always supported me, always had my back. Kolhapur is everything. I made a lot of friends in Kolhapur, and I think I survived in Kolhapur because of those friends. Survived in the sense, there are some people who don't make you feel welcome in a place. Some people,
Yeah.
certain age group people, that is there in everyone's life for sure. So वो था मेरे साथ वहाँ पे, but then just because of the friend circle I had, they helped me go through things, and they were always there as my back support to help me out. मैंने I think 5 to 6 फ्लाइट्स चेंज किए होंगे वहाँ पे. हर एक शिफ्टिंग में मेरा हर एक सामान पैक करने में मेरे दोस्त मेरे साथ थे.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so how was the food compared to Goan? Because we Goan now, we don't get easily comfortable in any other state, I would say. Because आमचे खावप different language now, see. आमचे खावप, आमचे जेवण करपाचे इवन जे प्रोसिजर्स असतात पळय, those are different. Kolhapur, I would say, I have been to Kolhapur. They are झणझणीत ones. People are. They spice level is like
तांबडा
hyped
पांढरा
up.
रस्सा.
Oh boy, yeah, true. And I mean, their spice tolerance is something next
Yeah,
level.
it is.
Goans also have, but I don't think so. It's that much. So
So
how
if I
do you
could talk about food, I think Goan obviously. I cannot survive without fish. Nusta जायच म्हाका. So when I was in Kolhapur, I rented an apartment, and fun fact people don't know about me, much people don't know about me. I am an excellent chef. I cook amazing food, and this is not me who says it, this is all my friends who used to come to my flat in Kolhapur and sit and eat my food because they used to love my food. Like even in during college times, like when I have to go in the morning to college, I used to literally pack like 5 to 6 parathas just for friends, not for me to eat.
Yeah.
For them, just pack a tiffin for my friends because they are gonna have a good ample of food and they like it. Otherwise, even if I'm hosting some party in my apartment, I try to cook. I like cooking, so, and I like feeding people. That is like more important for me.
Yeah.
If I'm cooking something and I'm giving it to you, then I'll wait for your reaction. Is it nice? Is it nice? Did you like it? Like that gives me happiness.
Sure.
That आगे वाले को पसंद आया खाना. Then I'm like, oh nice, okay fine. Now it's nice. I did a business also in Goa with food.
Yeah.
Right after lockdown, like जैसे lockdown खत्म ही हुआ, उसके कुछ ऐसे 2-3 महीने मैंने गोवा में चीज बॉल्स, समोसा, सैंडविचेस, चिकन बिरयानी, वेज बिरयानी, ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें I used to sell. And I did a good business. People love my food, and they were like very upset that I was shifting to Kolhapur back again, and I was not gonna do the business like after that.
You couldn't continue it.
But then yes, I have very good hand in food.
So what is your best dish till now?
Chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani. Wow. Like invite me someday.
For sure. For sure. So वहाँ पे भी it's like never felt, even I was staying in Kolhapur, I used to rarely eat outside. Like बहुत कम होता था मेरा बाहर का खाना. Maybe बस पानी पूरी वैसी सब चीजें खाने के लिए I used to go out. But main खाना जो था वो दाल चावल चुकी मुसी, that was me and my roommate. कुछ भी हो दाल चावल नहीं छूटता था हमारा. I learned her style. So my roommate was from Indore side. So वहाँ से उसकी उनके घर पे जैसे दाल बनती है, आमच्या गोंयांत तशी दाल जायना, वेगळी असता. So I like dals, north side dal a lot. So I learned it from her. So I like learning like food recipes, creating something new. So that department is mine. Kitchen department is mine always.
And you still cook here?
Yeah.
Cool.
Fish curry, rice, everything I make.
Great. Now, like जो भी होगा, इसका husband will be like good, but that
I
person should also be
I
helpful.
swear, not a single friend of mine has never said this. Everyone says it, that your husband will be very lucky. पर मेरा husband कहाँ है, कब आने वाला है, वो मुझे नहीं पता. वो आने भी वाला है कि नहीं, ये भी मुझे नहीं पता.
आएगा सही टाइम पे सही बारात लेके आएगा. But he should be helpful also.
Yeah.
I don't like this man, who sit बाहर and be cool. She's
Yes.
cooking, यार बेगिन हार जेवण हार भूक लागला. तुझ्या मारी शेंडी, come inside.
Exactly.
Come inside and help.
It's like no, I will say not don't help me, but at least be around, you
हाँ,
know.
मतलब be that kind of
तुम फोन पे
person.
बैठ के अपना स्क्रॉल करो, मैं खाना
Exactly.
बना के ला के दूं, तुम स्क्रॉल करते खाना खाओ और मैं तुम्हें बैठ के देखूं कि हाँ इसका पेट
मेरे को
भरा
पंखे
है।
भी लाए हम, तो पंखा भी मारा ऐसे बैठ
ऐसा
के।
नहीं चाहिए।
Of course not. I mean, who?
And it's not like it's not possible. You see so many couples around right now
Yeah.
who do like you know
कैसे
major
होता है?
level.
हाँ। कैसे?
ऐसा
I just
नहीं
बोला। और ये मैं देखती हूँ थोड़े couples को, they are so cool, they stay together,
Yes.
and I'm like, हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते? Why cannot we do? Because I want to talk to their parents.
And
I don't need to talk to them. I need to talk to their parents. I want to see what they think, how they made it successful.
yeah.
If you go and tell tomorrow your parents, you know, I have a boy and I'm shifting with him.
बिल्कुल।
I mean, what? क्या बोल रहे?
Get out of the house.
अभी निकल, वापस मत आना, अपना मुंह लेके मत आना, निकल जाओ।
True.
और इतना ही तो शादी करना।
हाँ।
I mean, dude.
शादी बात करने में जो करना है अभी कुछ नहीं।
और अगर वो भी नसीब खराब हुआ तो उसके बाद भी लग गए, बताओ।
Okay, I have this whole question in my head. Okay, now मेरे को अरेंज करना भी है, नहीं भी करना है. It's like I'm in this whole situation wherein like right now I don't have anyone, no, like मेरा है नहीं कोई, तो मेरे को लगता है कि I'll end up doing arranged marriage. But arranged marriage अगर मैं करूँगी भी तो I want you know to know at least the guy for 2 years, 2-3 years at least, because I don't know what I might be falling into, you know, you never know.
So but that you know that right, वो
वो
universal
डर
rule है.
बहुत गंदा है.
I know. But that universal rule you I guess forgot. Arranged marriage if you are doing 2 साल का time नहीं मिलता.
Exactly.
It's like
I
6
told
महीने done, you're cool with it, accepted, pass.
Bro, legit, I
Go
told my
for it.
dad, I was like, मुझे तो कोई नहीं मिल रहा, तुम देख लो, arrange देखना, so that I can, you know, at least know the person for 2 years, and then later on settling का मैं सोचूंगी, अगर वो बंदा है ना worth it, और he's looking at my face, कोण तुझ्या वाड्याला लग्न करपा रावतलो 2 वर्सां, कोणाक तुझ्या वाड्याला रावपाक दोन
Exactly, नहीं मतलब he's talking fact because the one who goes for arranged marriage ना, एक तो उनका कुछ है नहीं सीन पीछे बना नहीं, इसलिए वो लोग चाहते हैं, लड़के स्पेशली ओके हो गया यार लव मैरिज सीट गया, जल्दी से जल्दी शादी करनी है तो अरेंज मैरिज. तू अगर 2 साल और रुकने बोल दे बंदा भाग जाएगा बेचारा. He'll be like, यार मैं अरेंज मैरिज कर रहा हूँ ताकि I get married soon and this girl is asking me to wait for 2 years. I mean, see how logical it is.
And that's when my dad was like, हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा, तुम ही देखो अपना.
Okay,
और
so
मेरे से देखा भी नहीं जाता है. Because I end up shutting every guy down, no matter what.
if first approach से ऐसे लगता है
बॉल
कि
क्लीन हो जाता है मेरा.
go यार. Even if you know that single thing जो now we also don't know how to describe that single thing, but वो एक ऐसी चीज हो जाती है ना, maybe लड़के ऐसे करते हैं यार I'm not interested in him. Seriously, I was and I don't know why, but now I'm
Something that turns you off like bad. you know,
हाँ,
like,
there is something,
oh God,
I don't know
no.
what it is.
This is not my list. No.
You guys cannot describe it how it is. Especially जो लड़के ज़्यादा approachable रहते हैं ना, ज़्यादा ऐसे पीछे रहते हैं ना, everyday messages this that. To be
What
honest,
do girls really want?
exactly. I don't know. I have a boyfriend by the way. मैं ऐसे बात कर रही हूँ जैसे I was in such. I am not okay.
मतलब हमें चाहिए भी कि वो हमें मैसेज करे, हमें चाहिए भी कि वो हमें मैसेज ना करे.
हाँ, like not the continuous messages.
हाँ,
but then we
कभी
communication.
लगता है कि हाँ चाहिए, like he should be messaging me.
Yeah, continuously. You should ask me. ऐसे, I swear it happens. You should ask me, where am I? What am I doing? But if he does not ask, that means he does not love me.
Exactly.
If he
Oh my
asks
God.
me, he's very much, you know, he's dominating me.
Dominant. Oh my God. We girls have legit a problem. This is a
What
problem
do
with
we
all the
do?
girls I feel. ये वायरल है bro. ओपन कर दो.
I mean, what do we do then? How do we settle down?
I
with
swear.
our-
And the more you
समझ
see
नहीं
this
आता.
Instagram reels, the couples around, तुम्हारा list यहाँ से वहाँ तक जाता है. The
I mean-
list is like नहीं, this also. Why freak and why can't we?
हाँ.
ऐसा हो जाता है.
वही
वो
तो.
मिलने से रहा है हमको यहाँ पे.
Especially nowadays, Virat Kohli is like, मिलेगा क्या उसके जैसा? चाहिए भी नहीं उसके जैसा. He is very much continuously there with Anushka. That's so irritating. There is no space, I feel like. But then we also want
there
that.
are so many cute couples out there.
हाँ.
And legit मेरा तो रोज फीड वैसे ही भरा रहता है. मैं देखती हूँ, मैं एक्सप्रेशन देती हूँ, मैं बहुत उदास हो जाती हूँ. मैं देखती हूँ shit यार मेरे साथ नहीं हो रहा है. shit यार मेरा कब होगा?
Okay, so publicly you all know that she is single now. If there is anybody who is interested, can text her.
I just
She won't reply request में सारे messages पड़े रहेंगे, वो देखेगी नहीं.
That is a fact. That is a fact with me.
And no, there are ना creepy boys out there also
Oh,
जो
God.
तेरे हर story पे ना heart कुछ वो ऐसे emoji with that those heart. अरे how come every
जितना
story
वेट करे वो केयर भी ना करे कि लाइक करे.
हाँ नहीं मेरा तो है. मैं हाँ बोल रही
in
हूँ.
general, like
हाँ,
you know,
वैसे
like
ही, yeah.
many girls actually wait for that person to like this story.
है ना? True.
ऐसा है नहीं कोई जिसका मैं वेट कर रही हूँ, just telling you know कि ऐसा होता है हमारे गर्ल्स के.
Expectation नहीं रख सकते क्या हम? It all depends on expectation, and that expectation can turn into disaster
Right.
later.
Right.
And then again that disaster turns into trauma.
I swear. I swear. What I did yesterday, okay? So अभी मैं इतना सब कुछ डिटेल में नहीं बताऊंगी, नहीं तो सब डिस्क्लोज हो जाएगा. So one guy, like a friend of mine, whatever, मतलब ऐसा नहीं friend है, but ठीक है, जो भी है, go out, hang out and whatever. Normal hangouts, you know, ऐसे restaurant या फिर ऐसे ही मस्त chill करने हैं.
Well, a good
Yeah.
opinion kind of.
So,
Just
हाँ.
so that you can hang out.
हाँ. So was supposed to actually meet me on this Saturday. So he texted me he's going on a date. Now somehow this going on a date gave me a little bit of a downer. Like what? I mean, we planned it just the night before. He just walks around, so I met him there on the way. And I told him this casual festival is there. Let's go there if you want to chill and or whatever. We didn't meet for a long time. I was in Delhi last month, so मैंने बोला ठीक है, let's chill on whatever. And then yeah sure, let's see. I'll tell you tomorrow. Let's go. Okay. And then he's texting me when I texted him. So just schedule today. He's texting me. I'm actually going on a date. Not. And I'm looking at him like what? I mean I'm texting on. My defense mechanism works how, then I texted him back saying, anyways, I actually texted you to tell you that I don't think you would be comfortable with my friends coming, so I think you should, we should just change the plan and talk next time.
That person will know, okay, Shilin, because of this.
Oh God. And I did not even think before typing, I just typed because I was very furious, like, how dare he? If you're going on a date, bloody go, don't tell me you're going on a date. Why are you spoiling my day also?
And then you had that expectation, na, that you will come with me, we will go. It's not like, कि तुम date पे नहीं जा सकते. You can go.
Yeah, you go, don't tell me.
Why are you breaking our hearts?
Exactly.
Saying you promised us you're going to come and then you say that you're
Just
going to
go. I don't care.
Yeah.
I don't want to know.
Reply next day.
No details for me, please. Just go.
नहीं ये ऐसे बोलने वाली भी ना नेक्स्ट डे अगर उसने मैसेज किया होता कि I was busy, you would be like, oh really you were busy in this that, again your defense mechanism would work.
No, I would
so
be
it's
like,
complicated.
Okay.
Yeah, really? that this is because it didn't happen. If it would happen, it would be something different.
But legend,
अलग
it's so
बात।
funny that my defense mechanism works like that. That I said, मैंने पूरा पलटा दिया game, उस पे ही पलटा दिया, and then I'm rejecting
Too
you.
busy है।
How will you
तू
reject
क्या
me?
busy
I'm
है?
rejecting you right now.
Like, so not you, no, you aren't busy. I messaged you to tell you I am busy. Like I am doing something.
I hope this video never reaches him.
It will for sure, and that person will text you also.
I don't think he's he's not a social person at least.
And it's not only with boys, okay? Even some girls now
Some
Instagram.
girls, some girls.
Not I would say not Indian girls, but outside वाले जो reels आते हैं ना
Indian भी
बाहर
होते
के,
हैं यार.
थोड़े बहुत होते हैं. मुझे तो
I don't know, one girls with those girls with bindi and everything come up on your screen बीच में.
हाँ नहीं उनका भी मुझे complicated लगता है because what I want to do is complicated. What I cannot do is what outside people do. So
That's what I'm saying ना, उनका इतने easily हो जाता है, हमसे हो भी नहीं पाता है. That's what I'm
तो
saying.
वो बाहर वाले जो मुझे reels आते हैं ना, they like so cool. They show their outfits like this on the
Yeah,
hanger,
yeah.
and then they show the dressing up. हम अगर ऐसे करें, मम्मी हमको घर पे पता नहीं कैसे पीटेगी. अलग the what we say that intense hitting will be so different now. Instagram क्या सब हर जगह से ब्लॉक हो जाएंगे हम, तो we cannot do that.
Right.
वैसे ये कर and they are so cool with it now. They'll wear good just inner
Yeah.
and then shirt चढ़ाने का videos and all, and it looks so fascinating. It is such a good outfit.
हम सब
I take
लोग हैं।
screenshot and put it on Myntra. नहीं मिलता वो. How? I mean वो कहाँ से खरीदते हैं, क्या करते हैं, God knows. और खरीदते भी हैं तो फिर 2-3 हजार के सूट्स हैं ना. Epic. So it's
मैं तो
like
ट्रेडिशनल में कुछ कपड़े कभी पैसे खर्च ही नहीं करती हूँ ट्रेडिशनल में. My mom stitches it for me.
हाँ. This is stitched. Wow, she stitches.
Like मेरे तो रील्स भी होंगे ना बहुत सारे.
वो सबके.
हाँ, like all my traditional outfits.
Not
always-
yours. लोगों के भी.
Yeah, she has a shop here in Vasco.
Which?
Tailoring designer shop. हाँ बताओ, मैं सब डिटेल्स यहाँ पे दे दूँ.
हाँ दे दो.
Citizen Credit Bank के सामने ही है. So,
हाँ.
don't, you know, some guys just don't randomly reach there and do shit. Just because of that, I don't tell them such so many details. But yeah, you can shop like she's a designer, so she designs all my traditional outfits. जो भी मेरे अच्छे अच्छे लहंगे हो कुछ भी.
है ना? क्योंकि whenever I wanted some lehengas and all, I used to run to Margao Panjab because I never found that good designer. So with this Navratri, I'm coming for sure.
मैंने तो लास्ट नवरात्रि में सारे मम्मी के पुराने साड़ी निकाले और 4 लहंगे सिलवाए.
मैंने भी लास्ट ईयर वही किया, बोले it turned out so bad. मैंने
It turned out so good, opposite.
Yeah, to your me. For me कुछ अलग ही हो गया वो, because वो जो करने वाला था वो he was वो पजामा सिलने वाला था, मैंने उसको दे दिया लहंगा. He fudged up.
Yeah, understood.
Yeah. So next time I'm coming. See, Jai Shri Ram. Okay.
Yeah.
So done with your architecture journey. Now tell us how you went for content creation. And you said you were a model before, right?
I used to do modeling.
Yeah. And then you went for reels and all. और नहीं तुम TikTok पे थी. And then
TikTok and all used to be like a side thing, you know, like just put some dance videos and
TikTok, okay. Let's talk about it. You used to put dance videos, you know. When TikTok got banned, what was your reaction? And how
I was sad because तभी मेरे followers बढ़ गए थे उसमें. It was just like been a week and I got like good followers and then it got banned and I was so sad about it. मैं यार क्या है, नसीब खराब है मेरा. अभी just views आने लग गए थे, अच्छे followers बढ़ रहे थे.
How did you cope up on Instagram? Instagram पे इतने followers कैसे बढ़ाए तुमने? Please मुझे बताओ. क्योंकि मेरे को इतना गुस्सा आ रहा है ना, dude, my followers.
मेरा लक बहुत अच्छा है. I mean जो videos में मतलब मैं डाल दूँ और मैं सोचूं यार ये तो वीडियो बिल्कुल नहीं जाने वाला है. Legit, I don't have hopes with that video. That video will go viral. Legit, that video will go viral. मैंने randomly, I was in Pune, I remember, and I think उसके पहले before that one video going viral which went to 4 million. उसके पहले कोई वीडियोस इतने like 100 के 200 के हो गए होंगे, 300 के whatever. And I used to do normal dance videos, reels. तभी तो promotions obviously आते नहीं थे because you just started, you know. तो तभी तो नॉर्मली था, डांस वीडियोस था, कभी कभी सिंगिंग वीडियोस था, नहीं तो ट्रांजिशन वीडियोस लाइक फैशन, तो वो करती थी मैं. इवन आई यूज्ड टू पुट पिक्चर्स एंड देन टैग द ब्रांड दैट आउटफिट बिकॉज़ आई यूज्ड टू डू लॉट ऑफ शॉपिंग. बहुत अभी भी करती हूँ, बट द शॉपिंग थिंग आई यूज्ड टू यूज इट इन दैट वे, लाइक टैग द ब्रांड्स, यू नो, व्हाटएवर आई एम बाइंग फॉर. सो वो करती थी मैं. सो उसके बाद क्या हुआ, व्हेन आई वाज इन पुणे, आई वाज डूइंग माय इंटर्नशिप लास्ट ईयर, maybe before that. तभी क्या हुआ दैट टाइम, उस वक्त मेरे ना 7-8 के समथिंग फॉलोवर्स आई हैड गेन्ड. लाइक इट टुक मी ऑलमोस्ट अ ईयर टू कम टू 7-8 के. सो वो हुआ एंड देन there's one video, randomly dance video which I created and I posted, and I'm sitting in my office and my notification, okay, ping 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 ping. और तब भी मैंने ना iPhone 14 लिया था, my new first ever iPhone. तो वो लिया था मैंने, उसमें ही मेरा फर्स्ट वीडियो था जो मैंने डाला था आईफोन में. अब वो मैंने डाला and then there is nothing special in that video, nothing at all. I legit am surprised why it went viral. Nothing at all in that video. It went viral and मेरा ना ping 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 and my ma'am is sitting in front of me and she's like, who's messaging you so much? Just put it on silent. And I'm also thinking मेरी किसको याद आ रही है, मतलब all of a sudden मेरे को कभी notification आते नहीं हो, ये notification. Go to see my videos getting likes. मतलब कंटिन्यूस गो टू सी अचानक से 500 के व्यूज गए उस पे and my friend was sitting there, oh, see views and I'm so happy at that point. But what happened, go to see my followers within 2 days 17 के बढ़ गए 17 के within 2 days because of that one video which I did not even expect. वो हो गया then धीरे धीरे I got the hand of it. मेरे को समझ गया कि ठीक है ऐसे हो सकता है.
Wow, cool.
Then creating content थोड़ा थोड़ा फिर मेरे को समझ आया कि अभी वायरल कंटेंट क्रिएट करना है तो समथिंग रिलेटेबल यू हैव टू लर्न द मार्केट यू नो टू गेट समथिंग. सो आई यूज्ड टू फॉलो सम क्रिएटर्स एंड देन आई यूज्ड टू गेट इंस्पायर्ड बाय देम. उसका नाम मुझे याद नहीं है. शी इज वेरी क्यूट गर्ल. का पहले नाम कुछ नारी था, अभी PNG समथिंग, मानसी चवन.
She's from here, Goa.
No, she's from Mumbai. And she was very chubby, like मैं भी बहुत chubby थी पहले, so she was like I used to get inspired by her, like she used to create nice funny content, बहुत मस्त बनाती थी. And I was showing them, people used to tell me you look like her only, like you look say similar. And then अभी तक मैं follow करती हूँ. Now तो she has legit dinner whole transformation एकदम, but then her content is always funny, I like it. जो कंटेंट है ना उसका रिलेटेबल हो जाता है, मस्त एक्टिंग करती है. सो आई यूज्ड टू फॉलो दिस क्रिएटर्स एंड देन आई वाज लाइक व्हाई नॉट रिलेटेबल कंटेंट. तो एक दिन मैंने वैसे ही रिलेटेबल कंटेंट बना दिया जहाँ पे लाइक यू नो टॉकिंग अबाउट एन आर्किटेक्चर स्टूडेंट लाइफ स्टेइंग अवे फ्रॉम होम, तो वो मिलियन में गया. फिर ऐसे ही कुछ तो बॉयज पे रिलेटेड था, हाउ बॉयज यू नो नीड अ वॉशरूम राइट बिफोर एंटरिंग अ रेस्टोरेंट एंड दे पी आउटसाइड एंड कम, वो गया वायरल. सो ऐसे मतलब धीरे धीरे आई गॉट एन हैंड ऑफ इट एंड आई अंडरस्टूड कि नहीं, इफ यू वांट टू कनेक्ट विद द ऑडियंस एंड मेक योर रील वायरल यू हैव टू मेक समथिंग दैट इज रिलेटेबल टू देम. सो दैट्स हाउ अभी तो मेरे होंगे 6-7-8 वीडियो जो मिलियन के ऊपर गए हैं. रेस्ट गोइंग गुड, 500 के 600 के चले जाते हैं. थोड़े बहुत वीडियोस जो आर नॉट दैट रिलेटेबल बट चले जाते हैं. फैशन कंटेंट चला जाता है, डिपेंड्स. कभी कभी ऑडियंस रहती है, कभी कभी ऑडियंस नहीं रहती है, नो दैट रीच मैटर्स. कभी कभी तो डिफरेंस हो जाता है, बट आई थिंक राइट नाउ तो चल रहा है, अच्छा चल रहा है.
And what about those timings जो लोग बोलते हैं ना ये टाइमिंग होता है तब अपलोड करो?
Yeah, that is there in your profile dashboard. जो प्रोफेशनल डैशबोर्ड है उसमें if you go to your followers, total followers में नीचे there is an option where it is shown which are your perfect timings for you to post. So हर एक दिन का Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday तो कौन से टाइम पे जाना.
एल्गोरिथम बोलता है ना उसे.
हाँ मतलब it works for me. I feel कभी कभी मैं टाइम के मतलब एडिट लेट हो जाता है तो फिर I have to you know shift my time. I have to post one today.
Wow. हो जाएगा इसके बाद हो जाएगा.
So yeah, so मतलब वो डिपेंड. अभी जैसे कि मेरा आज का टाइमिंग वाज अराउंड 11:15. I forgot it. 1 भी कर सकती हूँ, शाम को भी कर सकती हूँ. लेट्स सी, अदरवाइज आई टेल द ब्रांड आई एम पोस्टिंग टुमारो. क्योंकि टाइमिंग्स मैटर करते हैं. वीडियो नहीं जाते तो ब्रांड भी हमको यू नो दे आर नॉट ओके विद इट. सो समटाइम्स यू हैव टू, समटाइम्स नहीं, एवरी टाइम यू हैव टू चेक दैट. कभी कभी ऐसे हो जाता है कि ब्रांड को आज ही वीडियो चाहिए एंड तुम्हारा एडिट लेट हो जाता है तो फिर एनी हाउ यू हैव टू पोस्ट इट. तो यूजुअली टाइमिंग्स आर इन यू नो मॉर्निंग अगर हो तो 10-11 के बीच में ऐसे, आफ्टरनून 1 से 2 के बीच में, 1 से 2 या फिर 12 से 1 ऐसे, एंड देन इवनिंग 5 to 6.
Okay, as for that timing. Okay, and I have seen, you know, what do you think about those people who follow you first, okay, on Instagram जब तुम्हारे कम followers रहते हैं, because मैं वो face करती हूँ. वो follow करते हैं, I follow them back, okay, then they unfollow.
Why do you follow them back? That's my question.
Because they should not feel, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए ना कि if I don't follow them back they will again unfollow me. तो वैसे भी unfollow करते ही जाएंगे वो लोग. So what I think is, for me it's like okay, they followed me, okay, I will also follow them, and then they unfollow me. मतलब not random people, okay, ऐसे ही किसी को follow नहीं करती, but अगर मैं किसी को जानती हूँ थोड़ा,
okay, जानती हूँ तो
वैसे, but वो लोग भी ऐसे है ना कि they will follow, you will follow them back, and then they'll unfollow. मतलब उनके followers हो गया ना.
Yeah, that is a technique which people do. Some people do that, yeah.
But how shit is it?
That's the world out there, darling.
But it's so illogical. तुम्हें अगर चाहिए तो तुम मुझे मैसेज करो कि फॉलो मी, मैं तुम्हें ऐसे ही फॉलो कर दूंगी. ये क्या होता है कि फॉलो करके
I legit get notifications. कभी कभी you know कभी कभी नोटिस भी नहीं होता कौन फॉलो कर रहा है कौन नहीं कर रहा है. कभी कभी you are on your phone and you notice कि इसने follow किया, then you just randomly go. मेरे साथ ऐसे हुआ है कि there is one random guy who has followed me thousands of times just because मैंने उसको follow back किया नहीं, again follow me.
Yes.
फिर से
अच्छा,
unfollow
ये
me.
reason होता है उसका.
I don't know.
मुझे भी ऐसे होता है, like one person follows me, again unfollow, follow.
And you notice वो हो जाता है. We notice. I see personally. I check your account, open and see what is wrong with you because I don't know you. मैं follow क्यों करूँ भाई तेरे को?
हाँ, अच्छा ये रीजन होता है कि बार बार अंदर में मैं सोचूं मेरा इंस्टाग्राम पागल हो गया है क्या, इस बंदे ने फॉलो ऑलरेडी किया था, वापस क्यों आ रहा है?
नहीं.
I got crazy.
Unfollow.
अच्छा, so that you notice it, so that the notification आ जाए, क्योंकि
भाई मैं बता रही हूँ, मैं नोटिस कर रही हूँ, पर मैं फिर भी भाव नहीं देने वाली. Forget about it.
because you are, I guess you are
I
out
mean,
of
अगर मैं
league.
जानती हूँ तो मैं legit, it doesn't matter to me कि तुम्हारे followers हो या ना हो, you are famous or not. मैं जानती हूँ ना, मैं follow कर लूंगी. मुझे तुम्हारा काम अच्छा लगा, मैं follow कर लूंगी. मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मेरे में वो एटीट्यूड ईगो नहीं है, मेरे को नहीं
मेरा काम
चाहिए.
अच्छा लगा.
I followed you, that's why I know, that's why I followed you.
That's why I asked, because my followers are not
Exactly.
like that compared to them, okay? The
I like to work, I followed it. ऐसा कुछ मेरे दिमाग में कोई इंटेंशन नहीं था. I am like that. मैं legit I went to Delhi now. मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड की शादी थी, तो वहाँ पे उसके नेबर्स वाले दीदी और सच अ बिग क्रिएटर, हमें भी फॉलो कर लो ना प्लीज. अच्छा, like you know to show off. Yeah, for sure, and I followed them. It really doesn't matter to me until unless you know. And they were so happy about it कि उनको खुश देख के ना मुझे अच्छा लगा कि क्यूटीज यार, छोटे बच्चे हैं, किड्स है, नाइस. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि रैंडमली मैं किसी भी को फॉलो कर लूँ यार. मैं डीएम्स मेरे होते हैं, इतने सारे डीएम्स आते हैं, वो रिक्वेस्ट में चले जाते हैं थैंकफुली, क्योंकि मुझे रोज देखना नहीं पड़ता. हाय हाउ आर यू, हाय हाउ आर यू, हाय हाउ आर यू, आई एम बिग फैन, दिस एंड दैट,
प्रीटी, व्हाट डूइंग.
हाँ, कोई तो वन लाइनर्स मार देना, उनके वन लाइनर्स पढ़ के मेरे को सच्ची में ऐसा लगा बुखार ना आ जाए मेरे को उनके वन लाइनर्स पढ़ के.
Oh God, मेरे भी रिक्वेस्ट ऐसे पड़े हुए हैं जो मैंने मतलब क्या रिप्लाई करूँ मैं तुम्हें? I'm doing good. I had my lunch. Thank you very much. Bye. ऐसे सब. And what is what doing?
And then
what
yeah,
are you
someone like
doing?
texting,
What
can I get your number? अब मैं तेरा request, follow request accept नहीं करी, I'm sorry, message request accept नहीं करी, पर तेरे को मैं number दे दूँगी मेरा for sure. प्लीज मुझे कॉल करके तंग करते रहना.
हाँ, मतलब ओपन हद, कितनी हद पार कर देते हैं थोड़े लोग. अरे यार, तुम्हारा मैसेज नहीं देखा हमने, तुम्हें नंबर देंगे. Cannot explain these people, dude. I swear.
नहीं, this is so very common, I think in this field बहुत ज़्यादा common है, हो जाता है ऐसा.
And have you tried those वो जो link आते हैं anonymous messages के? Have you put those on your stories anytime?
I've done that.
And what was the experience on it? इतने घटिया लोग मैसेज करेंगे.
किसी के पिछवाड़े में उतना दम नहीं है कि सामने आके वो सब चीजें बोले.
I swear on God.
किसी में दम नहीं.
You know, when I put this anonymous message on a link, जब मेरे साथ ना कुछ इंसिडेंट हुआ था, and I knew कि people have a lot of insights to give about me. I वैसे ऐसे तो आके बोलेंगे नहीं, and I wanted to know what it is because when I get to know that people are thinking like this about me, I like to behave like this more.
Okay.
Because for me it is like तुम सोच रहे हो ना मैं ऐसी ही हूँ, मैं कुछ अलग नहीं हूँ. For you, I won't show it different because you deserve that phase of me. तो I put it, okay. And इतने सारे anonymous messages अच्छे थे, उसमें बहुत सारे अच्छे थे, but उसमें इतने लोगों ने अपनी भड़ास निकाली है ना. Who you think you are? You have too much of attitude. And थोड़े लोग तो I like you. I'm very scared of you, but I like you. What do I reply to them on this? इसीलिए मैंने वो messages को reply नहीं किया. तो उसके बाद मुझे एक message आता है.
मैंने तो long back किया था.
Yeah. And then later on one person messages me that you don't have guts to reply to those anonymous messages. What
You don't have guts to text it in person.
Exactly. I told them, I put those story on my Instagram page. मैंने बोला भाई तुम गट्स की बात करते हो, तुम्हारे पास अगर है ना वो चीज तो तुम मुझे बोलो.
तुम खुद anonymous बन के मैसेज कर रहे हो, talking about our guts. Very nice.
cool, man. People are crazy, and it's so interesting to see, different people.
Yeah, I have that experience of comments भी जो आते हैं कभी पोस्ट पे तो इतने गंदे कमेंट आते हैं पर मेरे को ना सच में घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता. I swear it doesn't affect me. There was a time where it used to affect me और लग जाता था कि यार क्या ही लोग हैं क्या ही नहीं
क्यों कर रहे
अब नहीं करता. अब मेरे को मेरे फ्रेंड्स भी बोलते हैं ना कि ब्रो क्या कमेंट आया delete it, not why you keeping it, don't keep it, no it's like it will affect. No, it's not affecting me, darling. I just give it a heart and I send him a nice thank you or a heart. Doesn't affect me.
Because
like तुम्हारा काम है तुम करो ये तुम्हारा काम है do it. It doesn't matter.
Exactly. क्योंकि तुम वो कर रहे हो because it's your.
मैंने तो तुम्हारा कुछ बिगाड़ा नहीं. मैं तो अपना काम कर रही हूँ.
Yeah.
तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम है उसमें तुम्हें टांग अड़ानी है किसी की चीज में तुम अड़ाओ यार. मैं तुम्हारे काम को आराम से साइड में रख के आगे जा रही हूँ बस.
तुम्हारे टांगों के बीच में से भी निकल सकते हैं. साइड में रखने की क्यों जरूरत है? Why do we take that thing?
भाई उसका भी
तुम रखो. तुम पहले
रखो.
रखो. And if they have so much of problem,
it doesn't break our confidence.
Exactly, because वो एक चीज ऐसे बन जाती है ना. You have to be prepared if you're coming into something like this. And I don't understand if you don't like something, if you're not liking it, why do you come to the page and you see?
Right.
ठीक है एक वीडियो
तुम आओ ही मत ना अकाउंट पे.
एक वीडियो देखा नहीं पसंद आया, you commented bad.
Right.
But again दूसरे वीडियो पे रहेंगे वो लोग. रहेंगे.
वो तो रहते ही है.
So much obsessed. इतना obsession खुद have that self obsession थोड़ा सा
I wonder what the job must be like.
हाँ मैं कितने वेले होंगे सोचो. So
swear.
much. Oh God मेरे को बनी की याद आ रही.
और तुम इतने वेले हो तो तुम जरा मेरा एडिटिंग करके दे दो वीडियोस बहुत पेंडिंग.
She'll pay you also for that.
Yes please.
She'll pay you. Oh God. ये जो बनी ने आवारा किया है ना, it does not suit him. ये जो लोग करते हैं ना बकवास चीजें उनको करना चाहिए आवारा थे. Really. Look at people who are around men. Just take the motivation and do something.
This is how the world works. Everyone has a problem with someone or the other.
True.
That is how it works. And I think यही उसूल है इस दुनिया का.
Like what do they expect? Like they want us to behave they want.
I don't think उनके खुद के कुछ expectations खुद से ही होंगे कि वो किसी और से expectations रखे भी.
And have you seen those kind of people? Like, have you come across those kind of people who are like who maybe know you and तुम्हारा कुछ हो गया अभी conflict उनके साथ.
Oh God.
और तुम
set my heart out.
you have seen one reel which shows that how people treated me. And वो आते ना reels जो तुम्हें victim card दिखाते हैं कि I know people didn't understand you but you have to know your worth and blah 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 shit. And you said see that person liked that video.
Yeah.
मतलब तुम्हें पता होता है कि उस पर्सन ने तुम्हारा बिगाड़ा हुआ है पर वो लोगों को दिखा रहा है कि कितना मेरा बिगड़ चुका है इसकी
कोई लाइक करे तो दूर की बात है वो पर्सन वो स्टोरी में वो रील डालेगा उसके नीचे बड़ा कैप्शन भी लिखेगा some people showing their true faces and all that. It is legit foolish for me.
हाँ and no it is like वो भाव देने का मन भी नहीं करता उन लोगों को.
I swear.
It's like why?
मुझे ना legit I swear मतलब अभी some conflict happened between someone and then I unfollowed and I'm not following that person anymore. And then legit ना लोग देखते हैं और लोग जो जिनको पता है हमारा issues और या फिर मेरा कजन भाई ले लो वो देखता है वो मुझे उसकी स्टोरी भेजता है और मैं मेरे को नहीं पता मैं किसकी स्टोरी खोल रही हूँ ना बाय चांस वो स्टोरी खुल गई तो उस बंदे को क्या लगा कि I'm stalking that person. तो मेरा भाई लेजेंड इसको गाली दे क्यों भेज रहा है भाई मेरे को क्यों भेज रहा है मेरे को नहीं है
exactly.
तो बोलता है नहीं इसने ये बोला मुझे लग रहा है ये आप ही के लिए बोला मैं इसको झाड़ दूंगा. रहने दे भाई कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता मेरा कुछ कमी नहीं हो रहा है. जो भी लॉस है उसका इफ दैट पर्सन इज सो मच और क्या बोलते हैं उसको अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहा है मेरे लिए कुछ लिखने के लिए अपने स्टोरी में तो दैट इज अ गुड थिंग फॉर मी. नो समवन इज बॉदर्ड सो मच अबाउट यू लेट इट गो.
There are people because I have some connections who because मेरा भी conflict हो गया तो मैं unfollow कर दी थी because मुझे negativity चाहिए नहीं और चाहिए नहीं. I unfollow and I let her remove. तो वो मैं खुद की follow list से भी remove करती हूँ. तू भी मेरे updates मत.
हाँ, I said this is so funny. So this happened and if I'm unfollowing someone, I'll first remove you from my account क्योंकि मैं नहीं चाहती कि हाँ मैंने इसको unfollow कर दिया he is still following me or she is still following me. ये मेरा काम नहीं है. मैंने तुम्हें भी पहले हटा दिया मैंने भी unfollow कर दिया दोनों equal है कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Apparently उस बंदे का private account भी था जो एडेड था वो मेरे ध्यान में नहीं था, क्योंकि मेरा एक ही इकलौता अकाउंट है।
We don't need
दो
two
अकाउंट मैनेज नहीं होते,
Yeah.
लेजिट नहीं होते। मैं मम्मी का भी अभी शॉप का एक अकाउंट बनाना है सेपरेट, मेरे से वो मैनेज नहीं हो रहा, मैं खुद का प्राइवेट अकाउंट क्या ही मैनेज करूँ। तो वो प्रॉब्लम है। सो देन इट लेफ्ट माय हेड कि दैट इज स्टिल फॉलोड, बट दैट पर्सन मेड श्योर दैट पर्सन इज अनफॉलोइंग मी। ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे निकाल दिया उसने प्राइवेट से, पर मेरे को अनफॉलो फॉर श्योर कर दिया वहां से। इट्स सो फनी फॉर मी कि मैं तेरे प्राइवेट अकाउंट पे लेके करूँ तो क्या करूँ।
हाँ, like remove
तो तुम चाहते हो कि मैं तुम्हारे अकाउंट में रह के चीजें देखूं?
देखो कि तुम हमारे लिए क्या पोस्ट करते हो, like what are you posting about us? Dude, how is it fair? And for me, I remove them because मैं मुझे मेरे लाइफ अपडेट्स देना ही नहीं उस पर्सन को, because I know कि वो लोग एक्सट्रीम खुन्नस और नजर लेके बैठे हैं मेरे पे। So I really believe in this नजर and all, because वो होता है मेरे साथ
नजर
every single time होता है। मैं कुछ अच्छा करने जाऊँ, लग गई किसी की और हो गया।
I have been going through major health issues past 3-4 months. I think because of this whole nazar thing.
You should go to Bhubaneswar temple and do it.
हालत हो गया मेरा, like I have legit never felt so sick. Continuous I'm falling sick. अभी तो फिलहाल ये एलर्जी से मैं उठी। इट इज सो डिफिकल्ट, यू नो, लाइक आई हैव टू शूट अ कंटेंट, समवन द पर्सन प्रमोशन जिसका वो कॉल कर रहे कि कंटेंट आज ही अपलोड करना है या फिर आज ही अप्रूवल के लिए भेजना है। मेरा चेहरा सूजा हुआ है, मैं कैसे कंटेंट शूट करूँ? यू हैव टू थिंक ऑफ अ लॉट थिंग्स। और ये जो हो रहा है ना, आई नो हाउ आई मैनेज माई सेल्फ, यू नो, कैसे करना पड़ता है। 2000 बकेट में पानी में आइस वाटर में चेहरा डुबो के बैठती हूँ मैं। टेक टैबलेट्स, मिलियंस ऑफ टैबलेट जस्ट टू यू नो कम डाउन, कि मतलब थोड़ा सा शक्ल नॉर्मल तो हो जाए कि प्रमोशन का उतना काम कर सकूँ मैं। सो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट आउट देयर। कभी कभी ब्रांड समझ के लेता है, कभी कभी नहीं समझ के लेता है, बट देन दैट्स हाउ लाइफ इज। आई फील कि सबका कुछ ना कुछ तो होता ही है। इट्स नॉट लाइक हमारे ही लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम है, ऑफ कोर्स सब लोग, आई थिंक एवरीवन हैज देयर ओन शिट टू टेक केयर ऑफ।
Everybody. But then it's so much, you know. See, it's not only if you're going for a job you have responsibility. If you're doing a business you have responsibility. It's everywhere. Even though influencers who are there, they also have some responsibilities. मतलब उन्होंने किसी को promise किया है, and if they have their personal problems now, they have to neglect it, and they have to do something for those promised people, because their word is word. And तुम्हारा publicly होता है word. अपना तो जैसे अभी कोई जॉब कर रहा है तो उसका बॉस के पास वर्ड होगा, स्टार्टअप कर रहा है तो अपने पार्टनर के साथ वर्ड होगा, बट दिस पीपल यू नो दे हैव इट पब्लिकली। और अगर वो नहीं कंप्लीट कर पाए ना, देन होल पीपल कम टू नो दैट दे हैव नॉट कंप्लीटेड, सो दे हैव टू बी सो केयरफुल, सो मच केयरफुल अबाउट।
अभी भी माय होल बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स वेडिंग वाज देयर in Delhi for a whole
the one which you posted, stories पे, oh god what a grand wedding it was, crazy। मैं पागल हो गई थी वो देख के।
She is listening to this, she'll be very happy. उसको बहुत
I
अच्छा लगता है सुन के।
swear, no dude, I saw that.
It was a
I
grand
was like,
wedding.
oh my god, ये मैं फिर I also got confused. Okay, she is Goan, तो how come?
We studied together in school. She was here in Goa.
हाँ, so I thought कि you're a Goan. So अगर तेरे किसी का शादी होगा तो it would be Goan style, ना? North Indian style नहीं होता।
Bihar side.
हाँ।
So उनका North style.
I thought it is your sister who is getting married and she has a boyfriend.
She is a sister. No, it's an arranged marriage.
हाँ, ना अच्छा। क्या किया उसने? तू पूछ ले
भाई वो तो
नारायण मेरा लिंबू,
वो तो मेरे लिए रिश्ते वहीं से ला रही है, बिहार से।
कूल ना वो। Do you get that boy down here? Come to Goa, Baba. We'll stay Sushegat.
I was the whole event manager, you can call me. मतलब मैं मतलब सारा उसका एंट्री में कौन सा गाना बजेगा, एंट्री कैसे होगी, एंट्री में उसके पीछे कोई रहना नहीं चाहिए, फिर उसके हस्बैंड की एंट्री, जो भी सब कुछ मैं मैनेज कर रही थी। आई रिलायड सो मच, ऊपर से मेरी अलग से एलर्जी उठने लग गई। आई नो हाउ आई वाज, यू नो, मेरे पीछे फोटोग्राफर भी लग गया, मैडम आप फोटो नहीं खिंचवा के ले रहे हो, बाद में मुझे मत ब्लेम करना कि आपके फोटोज नहीं आए हैं। लेजिट एट द एंड जब सब ये हो रहा था तब मैंने थोड़ा खाना खाया, तब मेरे पास आ गया, मैं तो फोटो नहीं खींचूंगा इसके बाद। फिर मैं गई, फिर उसने 2-3 फोटोज खींचे मेरे, और लेजिट मेरे दुल्हन के साथ फोटोज है ही नहीं, मतलब लाइक यू नो होता है ना ब्राइड्समेड एंड दुल्हन का जो फोटोशूट, वो हो ही नहीं पाया, बिल्कुल नहीं हो पाया। आई वाज वेरी सैड अबाउट इट, बट देन इतना बिजी थी कि टाइम ही नहीं था टू सिट इन वन प्लेस।
Awesome.
Yeah,
I saw it. It was really good. Very different.
When she walked, I had tears in my eyes. eyes. That was like a heavenly. I cannot explain what I felt at that moment. I was on the stage and I'm looking at her walking through the island. And it was like gorgeous. I've never seen her like, yeah. It was too good. It was too good. What an experience.
I also want to experience
Heads off
this,
to her father and her mother who have taken so much effort to do that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was really good.
Everything was really good.
So you
Just like she wanted. Her dream wedding.
है ना, fantasy come true.
Yeah.
वाह, तू कर ले यार, तू भी कर ले, तू वहीं से ना बन ले. I feel those people are more loyal.
Oh, they are.
Not
The
people.
husbands, the not husbands.
They are too much caring.
Too much.
Because they are
Yeah,
mothers. Because of their
I
mothers.
swear.
Okay, everything goes to your mothers.
बीवी मतलब सर पे चढ़ा के बिठा के.
हाँ.
I swear. Everyone. I have not seen a single person who is not, you know,
हाँ.
कि बीवी ने कुछ बोला तो चुपचाप सुन के लेने का
हाँ.
ऐसे.
क्योंकि मैंने ये एक्सपीरियंस किया है. मैं जिस सोसाइटी में रहती हूँ ना, there are more North Indians there,
Yeah.
UP वाले North.
Yeah.
I have seen
Even my
them.
neighbor.
हाँ, I've seen them, you know, treating their wife so well. If she's not well, he will cook. The reason they do is because their mother was treated like that by their father,
yeah.
and their mother and father taught them कि ये ऐसी चीज है, अगर वो ठीक नहीं है तो
Right.
तुम करो.
Right. That is the most beautiful.
Exactly, and to be honest, I though personally cannot see this in Goan boys.
Yeah.
I'm saying it straight away.
Yeah, even
I cannot see
agree.
Goan boys, and
मैंने
but
भी देखा.
ऐसे ना हो कि मेरे वाले Goan number is different.
अपना तो डिफरेंट ही होता है.
Oh God, ये इससे मुझे क्या आता है, वो जो आता है ना, वो ये तुम भी उसी में मिलोगी, फ्रिज में मिलोगी, सूटकेस में मिलोगी, फिर कमेंट्स में होता है ना मेरा वाला
अलग है.
Well, those kind of thing, but नहीं यार, मेरा वाला सच्ची अलग है. मेरा वाला मेरे को पीरियड्स पे खाना पका के देता है.
That's
बिना शादी किए. See?
nice. That's how my.
I feel he's from North India, वो बदल गया होगा. शायद.
No, honestly, because my best friend also she used to tell me like उसका engagement भी grand हुआ है. उसका engagement was like a wedding only. People thought they were going for a wedding. Like उसका engagement उतना grand हुआ था. In November it was. So तभी भी like I have legit vlogs जिसमें उसने बोला है कि यहाँ के बिहारी boys जो होते हैं और यूपी side के boys. They are the most loving husbands ever. You'll not find anyone like them. Like they love their wives like anything.
So cool.
And it's not like मैं ऐसे हवे में तीर मारूं just because she said I believe it. I legit stayed in their house for a month. मैं उनके घर पे रुकी हूँ. मैंने अंकल को देखा है आंटी के साथ. I have seen their neighbors, you know, like people around them. Their family members I have seen. इतने मजे से, you know, हंसी खेलते ना है. मेरे भी vlogs आएंगे जिसमें सब कुछ covered है ना, everything I have covered उसके बारे में.
So it's really beautiful, I guess.
Yeah.
वो लोग सच्ची में बहुत caring होते हैं. And ultimately the root is parents, I would say.
वही तो इफेक्ट पड़ता है ना बच्चों पे.
So, तो कंफर्म है, no Goan boys here. North वाले ही आना please DMs में.
अब ये मेरे पापा मानेंगे ये मुझे नहीं पता ना.
हाँ, अच्छा. तो दोनों कर लो, अब क्या ही करें. Okay. So we came to know about everything. Okay, that you said. What would you like to tell women out there? You know, how should they be? थोड़े women होते हैं, you know, जो start नहीं कर पाते कुछ because उनको करना होता है, but वो उसी loop में फंस जाते हैं. तो वो लोग जॉब करते रहते हैं और इतने कंफर्टेबल हो जाते हैं ना, बिकॉज एक सेटल इनकम होता है ना. यू डोंट नीड टू, वो फ्लक्चुएशंस नहीं होगा.
You're talking about getting into content creation.
No, getting into anything they want to do.
Okay.
Like I have met so many women who are like, you know, अरे no, अगर मैं कुछ अपना करने जाऊंगी तो वो फ्लक्चुएशंस होगा, मुझे कभी पैसे रहेंगे मेरे पास, कभी नहीं रहेंगे. पर जब जॉब करूंगी तो मुझे पैसे आते ही जाएंगे. But then how do you see that? Because job gives you settled income, but doing something of your own can give you there is different. Okay, I'll ask you about the difference. Okay. Do you believe in earning money or making money?
Making money.
I guess the one who makes money only sets well besides me.
It's about making money, of course, but then कभी ना वो parent का pressure हो जाता है.
So you should be ready to take up anything.
Yeah.
just prepare yourself that तुम्हें सब कुछ करना पड़ेगा but तुम्हें खुद को नहीं खोना है उसमें.
Right.
That's
Very
all.
important. Very important.
That's all what we
Never
need to
lose
do.
yourself in anything. May it be relationships, may it be friendships, may it be work, may it be society. Never lose yourself.
Correct.
You always have to be there for your own self than anyone else in this world.
True.
Always remember. You have to keep yourself as the important one. तब तक तुम्हें कोई वैल्यू नहीं करेगा जब तक तुम खुद को वैल्यू ना करो. So I feel always value yourself first. You keep your किती म्हणतात ते, what you want should be first, then what someone
Priorities.
else wants. Yes.
Keep yourself as your first
Yes,
priority.
yes.
And then others. है ना?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll take a break
Yeah.
and we'll go for the last end part of our podcast. Okay? Yes. So we are back after a break. Okay? And now let's discuss about your views on certain chemical products or some Ayurvedic products that are out there. So what do you think?
For the people who know me, I am not at all a person who takes medicines if I'm sick, who is antibiotics. I don't take it. I'm not used to it, and it doesn't suit me also. Just because of this allergy, I have to, because there's no other option. But jitle Ayurvedic is possible in this world, I take Ayurvedic because my dad himself, he gets all those Ayurvedic things and he makes it at home, or he uses all those किती म्हणतात ते घरगुती उपाय म्हणतात आम्ही.
Good.
So I trust Ayurvedic more.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll introduce something to you, and guess what? This introduction will be first time happening on this podcast.
Oh wow.
Okay.
I'm glad.
And this is my brand, okay, our brand basically, me
Okay.
and yours, which is coming up in the market,
Nice.
and it is for female hygiene. Okay, it's an anti-rash cream for females.
The much
So
needed one.
concept कितें आशिल्लें माझ्या तकलेन? See, I get rashes usually after periods. Pads घालतकूच आमकां bumps
I
and
think
all.
most of the girls
Boils
get
at
that.
that. Then if we by chance shave or wax down there,
Right.
again boils and itching problem
Right.
येता.
Right.
So how usually coconut oil apply करताले?
Okay.
Virgin coconut oil.
Okay.
Because I guess all we go and people also किंवा जे आमी आसा, we use usually coconut oil for
Okay.
wounds.
I didn't know this.
On wounds, yeah. We use virgin coconut oil. It's
Okay.
really good.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. But problem अशा जाताले की if I use virgin coconut oil, I cannot go out because it's greasy.
Right.
तो already तुम uncomfortable हो.
Right,
उसके
right.
ऊपर वो coconut oil लगा के you'll be more uncomfortable. So I had to get solution for myself first. So what I did was I signed a contract with third party. Okay. I told they are WHO signed
Okay.
तो manufacturing party. And I told them that see मेरा ऐसे ऐसे concept है. I need virgin coconut oil. I need some Ayurvedic herbs which can give more result, and some modern science which can give me a product which I can apply soon and quickly I can get out.
Okay.
Okay. So I have this here. You can hold it for yourself. You can see it. So this is the product. Okay. It's Fimaya. It absorbs.
And it's
right?
not chipku also. It's like very.
You can apply it and you are good to go.
Yeah, it's like it's my just smoother skin, I can say.
Mhm.
Nice. I love the smell of it.
And this is Ayush approved. So Ayush is a license for Ayurvedic products.
Oh,
Okay.
nice.
So any Ayurvedic product if you're taking, you should see if it's Ayush approved. Okay. If it is approved, that means it's good to go. Now if you read the ingredients here, यहाँ पे ingredients होंगे. There are Ayurvedic extracts put in. There is coconut oil also and some modern science के साथ mixture किया हुआ है. Okay. Now the other components which you see in the ingredients are also approved by Ayush. Okay. So I don't think for women, and this is so convenient. You can put it in bag and you can also
So small handful.
and it's not even leaking का problem भी नहीं होगा because it's a pump. Okay. Until and unless you put a good pressure, it's not going to come out. So I think overall this product can solve
Most
a
of
problem.
the issue,
Okay.
yeah.
So thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for inviting.
Yes. And please like, share, and
Subscribe.
Yes, subscribe. I'm gonna share her ID also. You can go look out her page. Okay, it's awesome. You'll find too many things there. बहुत कुछ मिलेगा. Insights है, बहुत brands हैं वहाँ पे. You can go talk to her. ठीक है? She's very cool. She's good to go with everything, but in your limits.
Yeah. For the guys, girls, I'm very chill. You can join my company.
He's just very chill, trust me. And thank you for watching. Okay, please do follow the links which I'll give below. Okay, and do check out this product. It's available
Yeah,
in
please do
Jelly
check this
Shakti.
product.
Yes. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye.